Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog, and today we're opening the new Pipsticks pack. I think I received my Pipsticks pack a little bit late this month. I mean, I always get an email saying, hey, your Pipsticks pack shipped. But I think it took a little bit longer because of Christmas, you know, Christmas orders, Christmas mail. But that should be okay. I can see that there's an ice skating lady on the front, so probably it will be winter themed. And what you cannot see but I can feel is that it is really, really fat. So I think there's a nice puffy sticker in there. And something I want to say about that is that I did read that they want to put less puffy stickers in the packs from next year on, so that's a little bit sad because although I do not use them, I really like the puffy stickers. But okay, I was picking out a tea, which I do every video from my basket of subscriber mail teas. I think I'm just gonna go for this one. This one like fell out, but it sounds kind of good. It's blueberry muffin from Germany. And I'm really curious. So yeah, I wasn't, like I said, it was a little bit later than expected and I wasn't sure. I actually thought I couldn't film it, so I almost opened it because I actually had to work today, but then I didn't have to work today, so now I can film it. But it feels like I have so much stuff to film and to edit and to do, and between working and editing videos and making meal and living, eating, breathing, sleeping and relaxing, I feel like I don't have enough time to do all of these things. So I'm quite happy that I can do this. I just hope I can also edit it quite quickly. And the tea is turning quite pink, and I don't really, oh, it's turning brown now. I don't really have very good experiences with pink teas. But okay, we will see. This huge mug, by the way, I got from Becca in some amazing Christmas mail that's a video I also still have to edit and upload. Wow, it really smells like a blueberry muffin. But okay, focus on the Pipsticks pack, Vivian. First of all, I want to say that I got the Pipsticks pack in the mail yesterday, but then also this postcard, which is also from Pipsticks. I cannot turn it around because my address is on there. Okay, I can't turn it around if I just cover up my address, but they sent me a handwritten postcard with stamps and everything, and it's, like I said, it's handwritten. And hand decorated, like this is just decorated with stickers that they have probably in store or used in previous packs. And I'm a little bit confused because I don't know, I've never actually received a postcard from Pipsticks before, and I was just wondering if that's something they do now, they send out postcards, or if it's something that they do, they pick a name randomly. So I might actually have to send them a message to find out what I did to deserve a postcard. It's wintry decorations on the front, and okay. What almost went wrong. I'm going to keep it upside down so that I do not spoil the content for you guys and myself, but I am going to take out the extras, because there's always this little magazine in there, the Pippy magazine, and then there's also the winning number, which I will check at the end of this video because I do have a raffle ticket. Just so that I can see if I won. And then we have this, it looks a little bit like a Project Life card. It says currently making, eating, watching, listening to, celebrating. And same on the back, loving, hating, wishing, feeling, thinking. So that's actually quite cute. You could use that for a journal, but I could also see myself using this for a meal, just to let my pen pal know what I'm currently doing. So that's actually quite cute. They sent, oh, Moose is asking for my attention. What's wrong, kitty? They send a postcard every month. Like this is, I think this is to replace the postcard, and I haven't actually used them because they do look a little bit, they don't really look, they look nice, but you can quite clearly see that it is a free postcard that came with the Pipsticks pack. So, but this is actually commercial free and quite nice. So this I would see myself using. I don't know if I have to take out the tea. It smells quite strong. Okay, there we go. So I'm just gonna go straight in, and oh, I love how this is reflecting my face again. Just going to open this and grab the first sheet of stickers. penguins. Oh, it's cute. They have little accessories, and yeah, in general this is quite cute, and it really fits that winter theme. By the way, I'm getting straight into the stickers now, but I want to say that this video is not sponsored in any way. I do not work with Pipsticks. The only thing is that a little while ago I did win a Pipsticks giveaway where I won 3 months of free Pipstick packs. I don't actually know if this is the 3rd month. I think it might be the last month, but also there's always a referral link, just like with the Paper Gang box. It's not YouTuber specific or anything, it's just when you sign up for the Pipsticks pack, you get a referral code that you can tell your friends to use, and then when I think 3 people sign up to Pipsticks using my referral code, I get one free month. So I will link my referral code in the description box down below. I would be really grateful if you guys would use that. So yeah, all of the opinions are my own. But for this sheet, I think it's kind of cute, but I would probably maybe give it away or cut it up and then give it away. Then next up is this baking themed sheet, which I think is kind of cute. We also have a lot of little coffee beans, which I really do quite like. A little girl here who's baking. Yeah, this is definitely something I would see myself use for mail or letters or even envelope decorating. Then, oh, this is again one of those Pipsticks original sheets. I think these are probably from various stationery shops in Asia or something, usually I think, but they also include sticker sheets that they make themselves, and this is one of them, easily recognizable by the little flag with a P in the corner. These are all like these Christmas shakers, but then different. So they do have snow, and like, I don't know if you can see that, but there's like silvery snow. And then, but then there's all sorts of items in there. So we've got a mermaid, a flamingo, a unicorn, a llama. So it's kind of like a Christmas shaker, but without typical Christmas elements, which I actually think is kind of cute. So this would also go in my personal stash. Then what is this? A small, oh yes, I've come to know, I found out that they always include one of these sheets, which is like a little holographic like sheet with just simple designs. Last month it was Christmas trees, and this month it is snowflakes, which is again really simple but quite cute. We have a lot of bears, yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. It's definitely Christmas themed. We have a Christmas tree here, we have a Santa hat, wow, I cannot speak, a Santa hat, a snowman. And this is really cute. Again, I don't think I would use this, but I would be happy to cut this into pieces or share this with my pen pals. And ooh, this is cute. Again, a Pipsticks sticker sheet, which I really like. We have a lot of penguins, and it's blue. It has like blue foiling on it, which is really cool. We have a penguin, sleeping penguin, a penguin in a mug of hot cocoa. These mittens, take a break, cuddle weather. This is adorable. Oh, and I think it's made, oh, I cannot read this. Okay, I think this is a collaboration again. There is a little logo here in the corner, but I cannot read it. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce this. Bella Ralston is our Pipsticks collaborator this month. Okay, so that's kind of cool. So this is again collaboration, mommy, hey. I love everything about this. I could actually see myself use this in my my planner, my travel journal, especially because of this one that says take a break, because that's so important right now, and the little all the little elements around the sticker sheet. Favorite sheet in this pack, I think, and the little snow globes. I always really like the Pipsticks sticker sheets. And then let me just grab randomly. I'm going to try and find the puffy sticker because I'm really curious. It's a kitty! It's a puffy kitty. It's a gigantic kitty puffy sticker. It's like a little, what's this? I don't know. It's like a fighter cat. I don't know. It's kind of cute. So it's a kitty with a bandana, and I hope you guys can see this, but it is again really thick. So that is definitely what gave the volume to the envelope. It's really big and puffy, and I don't really know what else to say about it. You guys know I love cats. I don't really use cat stickers, but it is kind of cool. And if you, by the way, have any great ideas for what I should do with all of the puffy stickers, because so far I've just been saving them, feel free to let me know in a comment down below. One thing I know is that I'm not going to give them away. I want to keep them, so I'm not going to use them on mail or something. Except for the ones that maybe I don't like. We continue business as usual. We have a little corgi sheet. I talk about different animals, different cats, and my cat is immediately jealous. What's wrong? How did you get glitter in your fur? I want to talk about the stickers, Nose. Can you give me a break? We have a sheet of corgi stickers, a little dog breed. They're kind of cute. We also have corgi butts because people have something with corgi butts. I don't know. I prefer cats over dogs, so I don't think I will be using this, but I know for certain that I can make someone very happy with these. You can see so far we've got a whole lot of animal stickers in this month's pack. And more animal stickers. Ooh, love these again. Like I said, little flag in the corner, so it's a Pipsticks sticker sheet, and I love this. It's it has silver foiling on it. And it's basically a lot of animals with a hat and a scarf. I don't usually order animal themed stickers. I don't know why, but they don't like, if I see flower stickers, I will pick them over animal stickers 99% of the time, but I have to say that I do quite like these. Yeah, so I can see myself using these for some winter themed mail. So let me know in a comment down below, what is your favorite sticker sheet so far? What sticker sheet would you like to receive, and what would you do with it? Ta-da! Another Pipsticks sheet. They're all quite matching. We have, oh, this is really good. I like that there's also like motivational quotes on there, like, you are more than enough. Poking out, I can already see that it is a sweater. I think this is the vinyl or vinyl, that weird sticker. I never really know what is so special about them. Probably maybe they're like water resistant, I don't know, but this is this month is a sticker of a sweater. I like the idea that this one is a little bit boring to my taste, but probably I can make someone happy with a little sweater sticker. Or you could use it for collaging. Actually, I don't really know what I would use this for. So next up is again a Pipsticks original, again silver foiled. So we have 2 silver foils and 2 blue foilings. I like foiling, I don't know why. And this time it's a panda with a scarf and a this is quite cute. It's a tea mug with a piece of bamboo in it. And then a whole lot of snowflakes, which I really like. But I just quite like that. And then we have, ooh, little stars. This is also, I think, yeah. Oh no, this is a different color. So as you can see, I think the stars is something they do more often. We have little glittery golden stars, which is really, really perfect for Christmas. We have little penguins. This is a little see-through sheet with various penguins. I have to say the baby penguins are my favorite. I forget my tea again. Usually, I've said this a million times, but I don't like fruit teas, but this is actually quite nice. They're kind of cute, not really special, but I'm not complaining. And then, ooh, I think, yeah, this is the final sticker sheet. The final one is again a Pipsticks sticker sheet, and it's really, really different from the other four. This time it's with a lot of clothing items, so it does match that sweater that we got before. A lot of clothing items. We have the snow boots or moon boots or whatever you call them, and a lot of jackets. And again, I love all of the elements surrounding them. So we have just chilling, baby it's cold outside, and a lot of little snowflakes again. Now we have my raffle ticket for next month, which I have to keep safe, and I'll get my ticket from last month. November's winning number starts with 62 and mine starts with 61. So no, sadly I didn't win, but it would also be kind of bad if I won, because I already won a Pipsticks giveaway. Next one, if the new one is my lucky number, it says December VIP raffle prize, a year of free Pipsticks. So you get 12 of these packs for free. That's kind of cool. That's a really cool giveaway. Let me know in the comments down below which is your favorite sticker sheet, what you would do with them, and if you would be happy to receive this pack or if you preferred last month's. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I try to do Pipsticks and paper game unboxings every month, at least if I get the pack of the month, of course. And of course I also make a lot of snail mail videos. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye bye.